Hi, algebra class. So today you're starting the second part of 2.6, which is actually solving proportions. So in the previous lesson, we went ahead and reviewed ratios and proportions. Okay, what's a ratio? And then what is a proportion? Okay, so we were just finding out if two ratios are equivalent, meaning do they make a proportion? So I left you examples 3 and 4, these right here. So we're going to work these out now. If you haven't done them, go ahead and pay attention. If you did, just double check if you got the right answer, okay? So here we go. So 1/2 is equal to 16 over 32. 1 to 2 is equal to 16 to 32, or 1 to 2 is equal to 16 to 32, because these are ratios. Let's see. So on this side, we're going to simplify it. So this is already simplified. 16 divided by 32, I can do half, so it's 8 over 32. Okay, and then I can half it again not 4 over 32, sorry about that. Not 4 over 32, this is over 16. And then half it again, 4 over 8. So it looks like this is 1/2 equals 1/2. So this one is equal. Yes, they are equal, this one. Let's do it using the cross product. Okay, not Wakanda forever. It's the cross product. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to multiply 1 times the 32 and 2 times the 16. So 1 times the 32, does that equal 2 times the 16? This is 32. This is 32. Yes, they are equal. So that should have been your answer, okay? Number 4. Let's go on to number 4. 10 to 20 is equal to 25 to 49. 10 to 20 is equal to 25 to 49. So on this one, we're going to go ahead and simplify this one. So this one we can simplify. So it looks like this is going to be 1/2, right? And then this one is, 5 goes into 25, 49. Yeah, no, they don't have anything familiar. So it looks like for this to be true, this has to be 50, right? So this is smaller than that. So yeah, 25 over 49 looks like that's already reduced. So it looks like they're not equal. So they're not equal. So just put that. They're not equal. Not equal. So let's try with the cross product. Cross product again, okay? So here we go. So 10 times 49, and then 20 times 25. Okay, 20 times 49. Let me get the calculator. Ten times 49 is 10 times 49 equals 490. 20 times 25 is 500. So it looks like this one is bigger than that one, right? Because this is 500, this is 490, so they are not equal. Not equal. So as you can see that the cross product is very powerful, right? It's much better to use than simplifying. Okay, when you simplify, you got to keep going sometimes, and if you don't know your division, like you're just gonna keep going. Okay, so this is more powerful. The cross product is more powerful than simplify. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and start the next section, which is solving proportions. Okay. All right, so this is the second part of 2.6. So you're gonna start a new page. So if you have a notebook, okay, or if you have just a regular paper, go ahead and start. Okay, it's a brand new section. Okay, well, a brand new part of section 2.6. Sorry. So this one's solving proportions. Okay, yesterday's it was ratios and proportions. So today we're actually gonna solve. Okay, so make sure you put your name, date is the 22nd, and then period 4. All right. And now let's go ahead and put our new essential question for today. Yesterday's essential question was, how do I determine whether the ratios are equal? Okay, that was yesterday's. Okay, today's is going to be a different one. All right, so here's your essential question. How do I solve proportions? How do I do it? Okay, that's what we're going to do today. And First, let's go ahead and review what is a proportion, and then we'll keep going from there. All right, so here's your definition of a proportion. A proportion is an equation stating that two ratios are equal. An equation stating that two ratios are equal. So here's an example. So 1/2 is equal to 2/4. Is that true? Yes. Example, 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Is that equal to 9 to 12? Yes. So these are proportions. The ratios are equivalent, they're equal, but another name for that is called a proportion. Okay, that's something that we didn't really emphasize on the last lesson. But a proportion is two ratios that are equal. Okay, let's go ahead and keep going. So go ahead and post this on the next slide. And then on the next video, we're actually going to start solving proportions. Okay, all right, guys.